Hey beauty lovers, today I'm unlocking the secret benefits of aloe vera gel for both your hair and skin. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's start with hair. Aloe vera gel is like a hydration hero. It deeply moisturizes your hair, making it smooth and frizz-free. If you're struggling with dryness or split ends, this is your go-to solution. But wait, there's more. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins and minerals that stimulate hair growth. Imagine stronger hair follicles and a flake-free scalp. Yep, it even helps combat dandruff with its antifungal and antibacterial properties. Say goodbye to itchiness and hello to a healthy, happy scalp. Now let's talk skin. Aloe vera gel is a hydration superstar for your face. It locks in moisture, making dry, irritated skin feel soft and smooth. Got a sunburn? Aloe's cooling and anti-inflammatory properties will relieve that pain and redness in no time. Struggling with acne? No worries. Aloe's antibacterial properties help reduce breakouts and prevent new ones. Plus, it helps minimize scarring, and if you're concerned about aging, Aloe has your back with antioxidants and vitamins A, C, and E. These powerhouses reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, giving you youthful, radiant skin. So, there you have it. Aloe vera gel is a game changer for both hair and skin. If you haven't already, give it a try and unlock these amazing benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more beauty tips and tricks. Stay gorgeous.